One of the most famous mythological creatures in eastern Serbia that is still mentioned today is the Forest Mother. Her name is still mentioned with great respect and in whispers. She is the mistress of the forest. She is imagined as a tall and beautiful woman, but she can also appear to people as an ugly old woman. She appears only at night, and when she is walking throughout the forest, the trees would bend to the ground. The Forest Mother, or Muma Paduri, is also considered the protector of newborns and pregnant women. Other Slavic nations also have their own version of the Forest Mother. Bulgarians know her as the Gorska Majka, who attacks children with insomnia, but she also cures them. The Poles know about Mamona, a mythical being who steals and heals children. They also call her Dzivo Slovak forest demon Matoha is imagined without a head. The Czechs know her as Lesni Pani. The Forest Mother can have a divine status, so she can also be imagined as the ancient Greeks' goddess Artemis, or the Roman Diana, or the Nordic Skadi. But she can also be considered as the fertility goddess like Mother Earth. It is interesting that the stories of people who claim to have heard Muma Paduri is to a greater extent than those who have seen her. Stories about the pandemonium of sounds and noise. They say that at the same moment they felt as if they were losing their floor under their feet, and that primal fear took over their bodies. So they ran as far as possible. They said that they heard a noise at the same time, women's laughter, the trampling of horses, the breaking of trees. It is also said that you should not curse at night, because the Forest Mother can get angry and can hurt you. There are stories that some people were spat on by the Forest Mother. When asked how she spat on them, people would answer that they would be blown away by a strong wind and end up in an unknown place. The Forest Mother is nature, but man does not respect her. Maybe man has forgotten that the Forest Mother also has a heart. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.